Hello friends, this is Rajesh, your settlement worker in Canada. This is part 2 of modern immigration video, and we will discuss about modern immigration driven immigration initiative program application process. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos as I will be covering various immigration and other settlement related topics to help you to settle in Canada much faster. Let's start. First, let's note that this program has an important condition. The applicant should not have any other connection to any other parts of Canada outside modern Manitoba through friends, relatives, previous employment, or education until you arrive as a permanent resident in modern. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. The application process depends on your occupation and their target occupation at the time of your initial application. The target occupation changes from time to time depending on demand and supply of workforce in modern. If your work occupation matches with any of the modern's target occupation, which at present are mechanics, welders, cooks, industrial painters, you do not need any express entry profile at the time of application. Age criteria for this target occupations are: you need to be between the ages of 21 to 45 years at the time of nomination. Work experience: applicant needs a work experience letter with at least 2 years of recent experience. Language requirements: English or French language ability equivalent to CLB 5 is required. Education requirements: you will need at least 1 year diploma or degree certificate after grade 12, that is post secondary education or training program. Now what if you do not have target occupation experience? You could still be eligible to apply, but for non-target occupation you must have a federal express entry profile. Your work experience: you need a work experience letter with at least 2 years of full-time work experience in the past 5 years. Regarding your language requirements, you will need CLB language score of 7 in English or French language. Your education requirements: post-secondary education degree or diploma with respect to your occupation which is evaluated by WES, IQAS or equivalent. Now for both target and other occupations, you will need some common requirements. There is proof of settlement funds, proof of liquid funds such as bank balance, fixed deposit or similar. Settlement funds is the amount required by an immigrant to survive in Canada, such as to rent an apartment, to cover basic day-to-day expenses in their initial days before they have their job or find a job. Settlement funds depends on the number of family members immigrating, which is approximately 20,000 Canadian dollars for a family of 4. It is just a ballpark amount, so please check with Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program for current requirements. Now let's talk about how to apply. Regarding MCDII program application, first you need to determine whether you qualify for this program or not. If yes, apply by filling up modern community driven immigration initiative form available on their web page. Yes, I will be posting the link for the same in the description below. After you email your application form, please wait for at least 4 to 8 weeks for your application to be processed. If you are selected by MCDII, you will be given an invitation to come for an exploratory visit. Now what is an exploratory visit? Please check my video on modern immigration exploratory visit on my channel. Once your exploratory visit and MP-NP interview is completed, and if you get selected, you will receive an invitation to apply for MP-NP nomination for your PR application. By using this nomination letter, you can apply for permanent resident application with IRCC. Citizenship and Immigration Canada will do further review, including medicals and criminal background checks. Once you receive your permanent residence visas, you can make arrangement for you and your family to move to Morden. The entire process takes somewhere about 18 to 24 months, and this depends on case to case basis. I will be also posting a separate video regarding documents required and landing process in Morden as a permanent resident. Until then, God bless you, take care, and thank you.